Hi guys, it's me and I'm going to show you footage of my drone flying. My dad's going to record it, so we'll turn it like that.
How can I see it when you're recording? Go ahead.